When you look at the wipeout of AT1s, I guess this is a good deal for UBS because it means that it's not liability, gets converted into equity. But what are the broader questions that bondholders in all banks will ask themselves?
Good morning, Francine. Good morning, Tom. So I'm not a legal guy, but it is very obvious that in a situation where funding is crucial for banks, they need to get liquidity on board, and that doesn't help the situation. That's not only true for the Swiss banks, but that's pretty true for all the others. If you look at the whole AT1 market, CoCo market, I mean, they lost dramatically. And I understand that, from the pure size, you save for the Credit Suisse deal, it probably makes sense. But it's not good news for the funding of European banks.
It's not good news for the funding of European banks. What level of comfort, Jochen, can we take from the capitalization of these European banks and their credit profiles?
I mean, I got so many questions regarding, hey, is this Lehman number 2? And so, no, that's not Lehman number 2. But, and there is no fundamental reason or rational reason for a bank run. But unfortunately, bank runs are not very rational. That means we have to look at other business plans, like, especially real estate or banks being very involved in real estate funding. That's a bit tricky. But finally, to be very honest, I do think this is a very good opportunity for investors, as the central banks just make clear that they will do everything to save financial markets, as they did it so many times in the past.
Jochen, do you own any AT1s in European banks right now? And would you?
No, I do not. But that is not linked to the Credit Suisse case. I simply do not like AT1s and I do not like CoCos because, to be very honest, I always have seen the risk that you probably get wiped out completely, while on the equity side, you will get money back. So I was never, ever a friend of these kind of instruments. I do think they are necessary, but they need to change the legal framework of this stuff.